Today is a super exciting day because we are about to board a tall ship, a 62-foot tall ship, and we're heading out to the Whitsunday Islands. We're going to go to Whitehaven Beach and climb to the lookout, and then we're going to Dumbell Island for some snorkeling, and we are very excited. The weather is perfect. I don't think it could get any better. We've had iffy weather here in Early, so today has just been ideal, and we're about to board, so let's go for an adventure.
So far so good. The weather is absolutely perfect. The sea is nice and flat. We're just cruising along. It's really nice speed, nice breeze, nice temperature. It's so perfect. We haven't had an update yet. I don't know how long it's going to take to get to Whitehaven. Maybe an hour or so? We're not sure, but we're going to have some morning tea there. We're going to go to the #1 beach in the world, and that's Whitehaven Beach. We're so excited.
We've just put another sail up, so we're picking up some pace now, and the wind is blowing across, giving us a bit of acceleration, I guess, for the boat, but we are well on our way.
We just saw 2 turtles, very big turtles, dancing, wink wink, in the water. Yeah, they were huge. That's exciting.
Welcome to the Whitsundays. Now we're heading across the beautiful Whitsunday Passage.
We have just come through Hook Passage next to Hook Island, and we have been coming out here, seeing all the other boats that are coming out here too. They're so beautiful to see, and the water out here is just beautiful turquoise colour. We're just coming around Whitsunday Island. I think it's the biggest island here. There are 74 islands in total, and today I think we're going to 2 of them. So first stop is Whitsunday Island and Whitehaven Beach. Are you having fun?
I am having fun. Very nice, quite relaxing on the boat.
Okay, we have just got to Tongue Bay, and we're about to board our little tender and then head over to the island, and I think we're going to a lookout.
We have made it to our first stop of the day, and we're at Whitsunday Island, the biggest island here in the Whitsundays, and we are gonna go to the lookout, the hill Inlet lookout. It's supposed to have an amazing view, and then after that we're gonna spend an hour or so just at the beach. That water looks so nice, it's crazy. We're at the famous lookout now, and it looks amazing.
Okay, so we have just been up to the lookout here overlooking the hill Inlet, and it's so beautiful. The lookout is really well done. It's actually separated into, I think, 3 different sections. So you're not going to get like overcrowding in one section, and it's like a one-way system, so people just keep moving through as they take in each perspective. It's just beautiful though.
So believe it or not, this is not actually sand. It is 98.5% silica, a mineral, and even the company NASA has used it to create glass which is used in the Hubble telescope. That was very special. We just saw a beautiful turtle swimming by in that little bay, and there's just loads of stingrays scattered around too, but we had 2 very close to us. Yeah, that was really special.
Where are we off to now?
Next up is Dumbell Island, and we have to go get our water taxi to make sure we get back on the boat.
Alright, we have some falafel and spinach wraps for lunch. Very impressed. Vegan options all round.
We're nearly at Dumbell Island. We're just going round the corner to anchor up, and then we're going to be swimming, I think, for a little bit with some pool noodles to our safe swimming snorkel zone. But they said we could see some fish, some beautiful coral, and the coral's only 5 years old because it all got smashed up when Cyclone Debbie came in a few years ago. It was Category 5 and just wiped everything out. So they said this is all new coral. It's pretty beautiful. Yes, we're at Dumbell Island now. We're going to go in this little cove over here. It's nice and sheltered, it's nice and warm, and we're very excited.
A super nice snorkel out there. The coral was so vibrant and so bright, so many different colours. Quite a few fish down there. Didn't see any turtles or sharks.
No turtles still.
But they did have a little, what do they call it? A shark shield that kept the sharks away, I guess.
I don't think I want to see sharks anyway. I want turtles. But yeah, it's a really bright colour, like fluorescent yellow.
Yeah,
Crazy colours.
And blue as well.
Yeah.
It's awesome. But yeah, had a great time, and I think now we're heading back to the mainland.
Yeah, I think a couple of hours cruising.
It's been a good day, but we're going to enjoy the sun and the waves as we head on back to Inlet Beach.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold.
So we're back at the port now. That was just the nicest day. We had the perfect weather and we just cruised on all the way back to here. It was just so relaxing, and that's exactly how we want a boat trip to be. Yeah.
We weren't sick.
We were like, that was the perfect day on the sea. We just loved it. And yeah, bucket list ticked off. We have been to the best beach in the world.
I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say